It's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Welcome to 85 Sutherland Avenue in Bradford. That's right, we're in Bradford. We're bringing you this awesome detached double car garage home. We've got 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 full washrooms upstairs, powder room on the main floor. And guess what? We've got a bonus for you to help you pay your mortgage. We've got a basement apartment with its own washroom, own laundry. Why don't you guys go in and take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. All right guys, hope you guys enjoyed the tour of that property, and really, what do you guys think about that basement? With rates and everything going on right now, this is going to be an awesome way for you guys to get into this amazing property and possibly use that basement to help you qualify for this. Now listen, I know this video looks awesome because we've got the best photographer, videographer in the entire GTA, but I bet you something else. It looks way better in person, okay? So I want to show you guys this property. My contact information is going to be on the screen, so I encourage you guys to get a hold of me and I can walk you through it myself so you guys can really see the beauty of this property. Until next time guys, remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.